Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to manufacture a cheap liquid detergent. Already we have posted a economy liquid detergent. This is much cheaper, thick in consistency. We are not going to use any thickening materials and also simple process. After the making video, we will discuss about its manufacturing cost, its cleaning performance, and to whom this formula will be useful, and also how to upgrade this formula. What are the opportunities? So let us get into the making video. Today our batch size will be 1400 ml. I have taken all the raw materials as per the formula. Let us start the process. This is 3 liters capacity plastic vessel. First I am charging the RO water. Then I am charging the acid slurry. And simultaneously I am charging the Questal. Now I need to mix it properly until I am getting the white color solution, homogeneous white color solution. Now the medium is completely white color. So let us start the lye addition. I have to add the lye little by little to reach pH 7 to 8. Lye addition is very important step, so we need to do it properly. pH should be within 7 to 8 or even 8 to 9 also okay for this formulation. Now the pH is 8. Now I am going to charge the remaining materials one by one. First I am charging SLES. Then I am charging AOS. This is a foaming compound. In this low cost formulation, this foaming compound is essential because we are adding less amount of anionic surfactants like acid slurry and SLES, but that foaming alone not sufficient, so that we need to add extra one foaming compound. AOS is not only the foaming compound and also a anionic surfactant. Then we are charging cocoa amido propyl betaine, shortly CAPB. And then we are charging perfume. In this formulation, instead of adding low cost perfume in high volume, better we can choose concentrated perfume or good quality perfume in low volume, because excess of perfume will reduce the thickness. Then we are adding tinopol solution. It is clear. If it is not clear means we can filter it before charging. Here we need to observe one important point. Up to this stage, consistency is normal, thin, not thick. After the salt addition only, the consistency will start to increase. This is sodium sulfate solution. I have dissolved sodium sulfate in water. Now I am going to add little by little till I am getting the consistency equal to that of idli or dosa batter. Here I would like to discuss one point, that is the volume of salt solution is not common for everyone. It is variable from person to person, because the quality of the sodium sulfate and also the moisture content of the sodium sulfate is not common. Without testing the lab analysis, we cannot estimate it. So depends upon these factors, the volume of salt solution also will vary. Now I got the consistency equal to that of idli dosa batter. Now it is time to stop the addition of salt solution. Then I am charging color solution. Either you can choose detergent violet or detergent blue or ocean blue, whatever it is. And finally, I am adding preservative. That's all. Process is over. Now I am mixing once again thoroughly. Let us allow to settle for 1 day. This is not after 1 day, this is after 2 days. It is very clear and transparent. The consistency also very good. Now let us transfer the liquid detergent into the glass beaker. We can see the consistency. This is the thickness of after 2 days. We can expect after 1 week or after 1 month the thickness will also improve little more. Even it can reach gel consistency. But gel consistency is not advisable. It is not only due to handling and storage issues and also for washing performance. Let us check the pH. It is around 8. For this formulation, this pH is okay. Generally, the premium quality liquid detergent pH will be 7 to 8. In case of low cost liquid detergent, we can accept pH till 9. I have purchased all the raw materials in a retail manner. This is my price list. As per this price list, for me to prepare 1 liter of liquid detergent, it is 25 rupees. Suppose if we purchase raw materials in wholesale manner, we can finish the manufacturing cost of 1 liter for even around 15 rupees. But I accept the price is not universal. It is subject to variable with respect to shops or with respect to location or with respect to quality. Even though it is low cost liquid detergent, we have developed these formulations as per the liquid detergent formulation structure. We have included two anionic surfactants, one amphoteric surfactant, foaming compound, optical brighteners, builders, and also we have maintained the correct pH. So we can expect the good washing performance. And another thing, we have chosen good raw materials to formulate this formula. We didn't include phosphates or any bleaching agents. We have chosen the raw materials generally what we are choosing for premium quality liquid detergent formulation. So it will not affect our fabric texture and also it is not bad for our environment or even for our health. Apart from theoretical aspects, before going for business purpose, we need to verify the washing performance. What is the method? Very simple. Prepare 1 liter of liquid detergent as per this formula and also get 1 liter of rain from supermarket or any stores and transfer 500 ml of each of the liquid detergent into the newly purchased PET bottles. Label it as A and B. Give the samples to your friends or your relatives. Ask them to verify the washing performance for at least 3 or 4 days. Don't reveal them what is A and B. Just ask them to give feedback which one is better, either A or B. So that feedback is very important. Of course, that is not the feedback, that is the ultimate judgment. Based on that, you can decide for your business. Yes, it is possible. We can upgrade this formula. We can convert this formula into another formula. Upgradation means depends upon the extra money. We can spend extra from 1 rupee to 10 rupee to upgrade this formula. We can include either baking soda or washing soda or trisodium phosphate or sodium tripolyphosphate or borax or bleaching agent like hydrogen peroxide or enzymes or anti-soil repellents like CMC or PVPK30 or antioxidants, or even we can include a good quality of perfume or extra perfume. So how much money we are ready to spend extra, based on that we can upgrade this formula, and also we can convert this formula into another one. I mean, this formula has been designed based on the liquid detergent structure. Just by changing the composition, we can convert this formula into dishwash gel formula or multi-purpose formula or even soap oil. But one thing we should not forget, for every single changes, we need to verify many times before planning for business purpose. Nowadays, in sea centers also, I mean in rural areas and in remote villages also, people are started to using washing machine. So they need washing liquid, and of course this demand will increase in upcoming years. In this area, people are not conscious about the brand or branding; they are conscious about the performance and cost. Whether you are using the same formula as such or doing any modifications or converting this formula into another one, whatever it is, do a trial batch of 1 liter for at least 3 to 4 times. Each and every time we need to learn the process, we need to observe carefully, and we need to ensure the quality. We have to check ourselves personally, and also we have to give the samples to our friends to get the feedback, and we need to observe the physical appearance, smell, and other parameters for at least 1 month. So after getting the confidence, this composition is okay, this perfume is okay, this much amount of perfume is okay, I am getting the consistency, the manufacturing cost will be like this. So after getting confidence in all those things, we can plan for business purpose. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.